of climate change.
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 We all know that it is bad, but how bad is it actually? First of all, what is climate change? Climate change refers to significant and long-term changes in the patterns of temperature, precipitation, wind, and other elements of the Earth's climate system. It can result from both natural processes and human-made problems. What causes climate change? Industrialization. Industrialization began in the late 18th century, around the 1760s, in Britain. It was characterized by the development of new machinery, factories, and mass production, particularly in the textile and iron industries. The fossil fuels used in the industrialization process cause a large amount of carbon dioxide emissions. The combustion of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas accelerates carbon emissions, and thus the accumulation of greenhouse gases. Deforestation. Trees, the heart of nature, significantly reduce carbon dioxide in the world. However, the destruction of forest areas reduces the amount of trees and thus the ability of forests to absorb carbon. This disrupts the carbon cycle in the atmosphere and causes an increase in greenhouse gases. Industrial agriculture. Chemical pesticides, fertilizers, and animal waste used in agriculture contribute to the effects of global warming by increasing methane and nitrous oxide emissions. Transportation preferences. The increasing number of vehicles on the road directly increases carbon emissions. Fossil fuels used in motor vehicles and aircraft cause the rate of greenhouse gases to rise above normal. Thus, it increases the warming trend in the atmosphere. How does the climate change affect the ecological systems? Climate change has already caused changes in the distribution of many plant and animal species. Some species have experienced significant reductions in their habitats, while others have gone extinct. According to the 2007 IPCC report, observational data from all continents and most oceans show that species are being affected by regional climate changes, especially by rising temperatures. Unfortunately, some species are unable to relocate fast enough or are at a higher risk of extinction because they cannot adapt to the changes happening. As a result, ecosystems such as cloud forests and coral reefs are at risk of losing their ability to function as a whole in their current conditions. What can we do to prevent it? Controlling the use of fossil fuels, use of renewable energy sources, agriculture and forest land protection, protection of water resources, developing strategies for ensuring climate change,